Guys, welcome to our channel Saroj Art and Creation. In today's video, we learn how to draw a corner mandala and second, how we can draw the side border of the page. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Hey guys, before we start, firstly introduce the equipment which we used in today's mandala art. Protractor, ruler, pointer pen, compass, sketch color, red and pink color, mechanical pencil, highlighter, rubber. As you know, today we draw a corner mandala, so I can place my sheet in this way. After that, with the help of protractor, we place the protractor in this way from where 90 degree and 180 degree angle see accurately. I mark the point at 10 degree each. Now with the help of compass, I draw a random corner circle. Now with the help of ruler, we draw a line. Now I can draw a margin line on the four sides of paper with the leaving gap 0.4 mm. Now with the help of 0.5 mm fine line marker, I can fill this area. Now with the help of pencil, I just draw petals in a two grids. Now I can draw a long petal without any measurement. Now with the help of sketch color, I can fill in all the petals. Now with the help of pointer pen, I can draw a flower petal. Now I can fill the pattern in this area. Now with the help of brush pen, I fill this blank area. After that, I can draw a little house. In this section, I can draw circles. I fill this blank area with the help of brush pen. In this, I can draw the shape of curving leaves. I can draw this pattern with the help of 0.1 mm fine line marker. Now I can shade this area. Now in this blank area, I can fill it with red color. Now I can draw long 3 petals in one grid. Now in this petal, I can draw basic pattern long, tall with small. Now I can draw a slanting line in all the pattern. Now I can draw a line on a semicircle. In this blank space I can fill it with red color. This area I can fill with a brown marker. In this area I can draw a white dots. In next grid I can draw hut pattern. Now I can redraw inside it. Now I can draw patterns. Now I fill this blank space with the red color. In this space I can draw downward and upward triangles. On the outside of the grid I can draw a spiral sheets. Now in spiral I can fill the pink color. As you see, our mandala pattern is done. Now we can draw a flower pattern on the other corner. Now with the help of ruler we can draw the lines. Now with the help of pencil we can shade this pattern. As you see, our mandala pattern is done. If you like my video, share with your family and friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also, if you never miss any update on my channel. Thank you.